I'm Imelda and today I'm going to be doing my room tours. Some of you requested for this, but I'm doing this because I wanted to start filming my room transformation next week. So it wouldn't hurt to do this video since this is probably the last time that you'll see my room in this situation. So sorry for the loud background noise. I already shut off the window so you could hear me better, but at this point, it's out of my control. Plus, the poor lighting conditions, since ginako nga yung bintana, there's not much of natural light coming inside my room. So yeah, let's just begin the tour. Let's begin on this side. So this is my filming area. This is the background that you see a lot on my videos. I just have here my clothing rack and my mirror. For my mirror, we got this from SM Department Store. I don't know how much, but yeah, we got this from SM Department Store. And for this clothing rack, my dad made me this. It's an industrial-inspired clothing rack. I wanted to buy those clothing rack that you can find from Shopee. I think that was worth 995 pesos, almost 1,000. Pero my dad insisted that he just make me one. Here I just have my recent clothes that I would want to style or I would want to wear on my Insta pictures, so they're just here. All of this are from Zafo, so you can use my code Imelda for your 80% off site-wide purchase on Zafo.com. Yeah. And then I just have here some of my shoulder bags. Some of you are also DMing me where I get my shoulder bags. And also, every time I do a Q&A on Instagram, there's a question about where I get my shoulder bags. But this one is from Baguio, Baguio Night Market. And this is also from Baguio. That time when I purchased this, shoulder bags weren't really a thing yet. So marami ka pang mabibili dun sa Baguio. Pero ngayon madalang na lang kasi yung mga shoulder bags. Ito, hindi ko siya masyadong nagagamit. Konti lang yung malalagay ko. So, hindi siya magsasara kapag ang dami ko nilagay. And then I have another shoulder bag here. This is from a local thrift store lang. So, ito, it's a hobo bag. And what I love about this is the silver hardware. Very funky bag. Pag sinuot ko siya sa outfit, talagang may dating siya for me. So, I love this bag so much. So, pakita ko na yung baba niya. So, meron lagay ng sapatos dito. And I just have here all my clean shoes. Kasi bawal akong magdala na madumi yung sapatos dito. Technically, these are my newer pairs na hindi ko pa masyadong nagagamit sa labas. So, yeah. Welcome to my desk area. So this is where I do my online classes, where I edit my videos. Actually, this desk is a coffee table. Kinuha ko lang siya sa rooftop namin kasi wala nga akong lamesa sa room ko. It's hard when I don't have my own workplace in my room because I can't focus just editing or doing my online classes in my bed. Hindi ako makapag-concentrate. So, kinuha ko na lang itong table sa taas. And then I have here my snake plant. It belongs to my parents' room. Pero dito talaga siya, nag-umpisa sa kwarto ko, pinalipat ko na lang siya. This plant, by the way, is from a local garden here in Marikina. Kapag bibili kayo ng plant, just check out your local garden muna. Kasi sa amin, sobrang walking distance lang ng garden dito. So, ang daming klase ng plants. Doon lang din kami bumibili kasi sobrang mura lang. The plant market is really booming right now. Especially, ang dami nagpapa-renovate, ang daming nagpapa-redecorate ng kwarto. So, just check out your local garden or check out Facebook Marketplace kasi sobrang mura lang din ng mga plants nila doon. Tsaka, naka-custom radius naman kung saan ka nakatira. Lalabas sa'yo yung pinakamalapit na pwede mag-deliver sa'yo ng plants. May nag-DM sa akin on how I take care of my snake plant because it looks really healthy. Ang secret doon is my mom takes care of it. Pero ang alam ko, hindi niya to dinidiligan everyday. Parang once a week or once every 2 weeks lang. Tapos hindi niya rin to tinatapat sa direct sunlight. Kaya ayan, ang dami niya na, minsan nga ginugupit na namin siya kasi sobrang daming nabubuong bagong cluster ng snake plant. Kaya kailangan i-trim. This rag is from Lazada. I purchased this last December. Funny thing is, I did our room decor haul last January. It didn't make it to this channel kasi sobrang konti lang nang ipapakita ko noon. Kaya hindi ko na siya in-upload sa channel na to. Let's proceed to my bedside. Medyo against the light yata yung setup, so binuksan ko na yung ilaw. So this bedside table / nightstand is from Shopee. Nung binili ko to, sobrang proud ako sa sarili ko kasi this color is very out of my comfort zone. Pero ngayon, sobrang pinagsisihan ko na siya kasi wala nga siyang kamatch sa room ko except yung halaman of course. But this color it's not my color. So ipapa-repaint na lang siya either in black or white. Or in this color, kasi sobrang ganda ng ganitong color for me. So, this jewelry plate is from Shopee. I can't remember how much I got this, but I'm just gonna flash the prices over here para makita nyo. For this one, they have other colors like ito, tsaka marble white. And then, I just have here my water bottle. This one is my mom's Himalayan salt lamp. Kinuha ko lang to sa Manila. But you can pretty much find one from your local department store or kahit sa mall, ang dami na nabibenta ng salt lamp. These curtains, by the way, are from Divisoria. Sabi blackout daw siya, pero hindi naman eh. Tumatagos pa rin yung light dun sa curtain. So, it's not blackout curtain. It's worth 350 pesos per curtain. So, 350. Tapos, hindi pa kasama yung curtain rod sa binayaran, which is from Divisoria lang din. We've now reached my bed area. The mattress is a gift from my mom. Pares niya kami naregaluhan ng kuya ko ng ganitong kind of mattress. Is a memory foam. So, kapag humiga ako, i-demo ko na lang. So when I'm seated, it's copying the formation of my body. So I could sit comfortably. Pag tumayo ako, babalik siya sa original shape niya. Ayun. Diba? Ulitin ko na lang for the sake of the camera. Okay. Anyway, and then I have all white pillowcases, all white beddings. Pero underneath here is my neck pillow. It's in a floral white color. Dalawang set lang kasi yung white pillowcases ko. So when it's in the laundry, dalawa lang yung pwede kong palitan. And then I'm left with a very random pillowcase. This one is another gift from my mom. Nagdalawa niya kami ng sleeping set. So isa to dun sa mga binigay niya. Meron ganito yung kuya ko tsaka yung dad ko. So, demo ko lang din. Kapag nirolyo ko siya, balik siya sa original form niya. And it has a shape here. So kapag nakahiga ako, naka-elevate yung neck ko. Tama ba? Then, underneath here is my very wild blanket. Dalawa lang din yung ginagamit kong kumot. It's either an all white or this cheetah print blanket. Dito lang siya sa ilalim. Dito ako minsan nagtitake ng outfit clips. And dito rin ako minsan nagtitake ng IG photos. Pero madalang lang kasi yung lighting dito sobrang pangit. Kapag kasi sa iPhone, in low light conditions, magiging grainy yung photos mo. So, madilim kasi dito sa part na to. Yun lang naman. Share ko lang. This is my storage space. This is my bathroom and this is my closet space. It's not that spacious, but compared to my brother's closet, sobrang laki ng closet space niya, parang pang babae. He offered to trade rooms with me, pero hindi, kasi it smells like a boy's room. This is everything. Nakikita niyo ba? So this is all the clothes that I brought here in Marikina. We just recently moved here last year. Tapos dito lang kami nag-stay ng matagal dito. These other closet spaces are empty since wala pa akong dinat. Oh my god, nasa snow. Ang ingay no. Since wala pa akong masyadong dadalang gamit dito, puro damit pa lang. This is my storage area. These are all my lounge clothes, pambahay. These are all my workout clothes. Pre-quarantine, pre-pandemic, I used to attend yoga classes, tsaka I used to go to the gym. Pero dahil nga tinamad na rin ako, tsaka sarado na rin yung mga gym, hindi rin ako nakapag-workout. So this is now the end of my room. You can see me in that mirror, but I just have here this corner shelving unit. I'm just gonna give you a little overview. On the top part, I just have here this thrifted mirror, and then I just have here my planner, and then this book that I purchased a while back. And then on the lower side is my skincare stuff. And this side I just have here all my skincare, and then I have this drinking glass where I put all of my earrings. This tray, by the way, is from Shopee. I forgot how much was this, so. And then I just have this acrylic jewelry organizer. It's for my dad, so it just holds all of my accessories. Ayan, dyan na muna siya. So down here is just random things. I have here my camera and my tech stuff. And in this bowl is just a bunch of my Polaroids and memorabilia. This is a spare film that I haven't used. And then I just have here this Polaroid picture with Ellie Buendia. I love Ellie Buendia. He is my idol. Pumunta kami sa gig niya nito sa Makati yata. It is a Polaroid picture of Wyatt. Tapos nasa likod niya si Ellie Buendia. Tapos pinirmahan ni Ellie Buendia yung Polaroid. Meron din akong ganito, kaso nasa kanya. May pirma din ni Ellie Buendia. So ayun, yun lang. And there you go, that is my room tour. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. And if you have any video recommendation, please comment down below. I'm grateful for any video recommendation. So yeah, that's it. Thank you. Bye-bye.